Fly ball, left field and deep. Simpson back on the track. Another high drive to left field. Simpson back on the track. High drive, right field. DeLuca back. He's on the track.
It is a hot, steamy, sticky early Monday evening, but no worries, there's a dome on. And it is time for baseball as the Yes Network presents New York Yankees baseball. It's the New York Yankees against the Tampa Bay Rays in the first of four from Tropicana Field.
Bellinger, Dominguez, and Chisholm. And the bottom of the order at shortstop, Jose Caballero. Third baseman, Ryan McMahon. Austin Wells will catch, and he'll bat ninth.
Well, you see the number on Griffin Jacks. They're pretty good. I mean, this is a year that he was supposed to be the closer, but he struggled in the bullpen. Where in 11 games, he had an ADR percentage of 33.7, and he's doing his part. 20 out of 21 starts, the Rays have given up 3 or fewer runs. He is 4 for 4 in that category.
And a ground ball on the first pitch. One away, and that was the Nissan pitcher
in the dugouts. 8 total, 4 for each team. Round a lot more, almost 54%, and that's not who he is.
Strike 3, 20. Paul Goldschmidt plus 520. Paul hitless in his last 22 at bats. And now make that 23 as he grounds out to Walls. Yankees go down in order 1, 2, 3 against this Rays starting lineup. Yandy Diaz at DH leads off, then Jonathan Aranda at first. Junior Caballero at third base.
Yeah, we see the numbers on Cam. He's making his 19th start, the low ERA, the high strikeouts. And let's check out the Nissan pitchers. 0.08, and Sonny Gray is second at 2.61. That's a pretty big difference. And congrats, Cam. Your first.
Right back to Schlittler. Now Aaron Boone, this is to the Yankees. Yankees have 92. Tampa Bay has 84.
Off the plate.
And down goes. Now one is chopped to short. Caballero slumping. And the Rays go games amazingly just hitting 121. 7 for 58. And that one is tipped. So Griffin Jacks attacking the strike zone. His high pitch count. Swing yesterday, miss. Rounding first on a single, jammed his toe. It's a toe that he's had problems with before, but they took x-rays. 2 down here in the second. A rare free agent signing out for the Rays, 1 year, $7 million.
Yeah, I think you need to put it in their back of their mind that he might flip one up there early in the count for a free strike.
Popped up, shallow right field, coming on Dominguez. It's going to drop. Fielded out there by Goldschmidt, and it's a blue. Chopped slowly, grabbed there by McMahon. There's one, that's all they'll get. As DeLuca is forced 5-4.
So they don't leave early.
So you trade DeLuca.
And if you do that, you give Austin Wells a great chance of throwing him out.
That one is chopped to short. Caballero will flip to Jazz. They get
it's interesting what Griffin Jacks has done, because if you look at his numbers, 0-0 hitters are hitting 379, 1-0, 440. So they've been aggressive first pitch.
Ground ball, Walls. What was Minnesota's fire sale? When Carlos Correa talked to him and said that he's going to waive his no-trade clause, his velocity, his goal is hitting 100 miles an hour. His career high 98.9, and he catches ripped to right field. DeLuca will make the play. Ground ball first base. Goldschmidt Flips to Schlittler. One away. Ground ball, second base. Chisholm of the Texas Rangers, who's 381 while playing in Arlington. And that one is looped right to Chisholm. And the Rays go down in order against Schlittler. And a nice play by Aranda. And he flips to Jax.
They had only seen him
Took a base hit
44 times, 44 plate appearances against him, and that's not a whole lot for a team.
Swing and a miss. Rice down
That's
on
what
strike.
happens when you hit swinging a pitch is 3 inches inside.
Swing. Such a hard decision to take him out.
Michael, those are the worst decisions you have to make as a manager, taking people out of games like those.
And that one is tipped into the glove. Actually a late bloomer. Popped up. Shallow center. Backing up Jazz. Makes the play. To the second out. Swing and a miss. 7 strikeouts in 4 innings. And as a starter, sporting a 2.45 ERA. This is his 13th start.
Third time through.
Did he go? Yes, he did. 8th strikeout. 3-2. And there the Yankees have a
see
base
if he's
runner.
going because there's a left-handed hitter. Advantage by
Two straight
holding the ball,
walks.
and he's trying to use the rule to his advantage by dictating the pace.
Fly ball, left field and deep. Simpson back on the track at the wall. See ya! A huge 3-run home run by Caballero, and the Yankees lead 3-0.
Just a huge hit for Caballero, his 9th home run of the year, his 32nd RBI, his first hit ever against Griffin Jackson. It looks like it's either a sinker middle in or a changeup middle in. Just a big 3-run homer. Game, if you remember, Michael.
Swing and a miss. McMahon down on swing and a miss. 10th strikeout. Johnny DeLuca leads off. And there's a ground ball. Fielded cleanly by McMahon. 1 pitch, 1 down. The 0-2. Chopped slowly, third base. Trying to barehand it, couldn't. And
It may not
Chandler
try to do
Simpson
it.
will reach.
In this situation, if he goes, it would just be a straight steal.
And that one's chopped to second base. Simpson was going, so he'll go to second easily. One-two. Line to left field. Coming on is Bellinger. He'll have the plate on a hop. Simpson scores easily. Throw comes into second. A base hit for Palacios. Tampa Bay's on the board. It's 3-1 Yanks. Swing and a miss. Got it right by him at 98 miles
First
an hour.
in the AL in ERA, but their bullpen is 11th.
Hit sharply and right at Aranda. What a left field, going back Simpson on the track, makes the play.
When you're struggling as an offense, you look up and you hit 2 balls pretty hard, you got nothing to show for it. Could have.
Strike 3. 4 or 5 Goldschmidt this year. All 5 games decided by 1 or 2 runs. This one's 3-1. Swing and a miss. Yes. Diaz down on
consistently.
strike too.
Yes.
And there goes another strikeout. Popped up. McMahon will make the play. And the Rays go down in order.
Of these guys. They have
Schlittler.
like 3 guys that throw considerably sidearm.
Fly ball left field. Simpson for the out. And down goes Dominguez.
Barreling up the ball has been the problem.
13th Yankee strikeout as they go down in order. 1 Yanks. Time for the Cedric Mullins will lead off. High fly ball, right field. Dominguez is there. Dominguez for out number 1.
That's the right attitude, but there's excitement in making an all-star team.
That one's popped up. And Goldschmidt puts
You know
it
what my
away.
favorite thing is when you hear a pop-up here and you're on defense? Is someone saying, I got it, I got it.
Right. That one is chopped over the middle. Caballero fields. And he will get Simpson. Another high drive to left field. Simpson back on the track at the wall. He's done it again. Another home run for Caballero. Check that. Not Caballero. Caballero. And it is 4-1. His 10th home run of the season and his 2nd today. And now he's on their side. And the Rays hate it. And the Yankees love it. And a strike. McMahon. Wells pops it up. And then Caballero makes it. Swing and a miss. Ground ball, Jazz Chisholm. 1 away here in the 8th.
Simpson was able to move up on a ground out by Fortes.
That one is looped into center field. It's a base hit for Palacio. So he has 2 hits against Cam Schlittler. And he bunted with 2 strikes, and that is a foul ball. 2-2. Popped up. That was 98. Jazz Chisholm will put it away for the final out.
I will never forget that.
Great moment against Mark Langston. High drive, right field. DeLuca back. He's on the track, at the wall. See ya! A home run for Ben Rice. And the Yankees lead 5-1.
The
25th home run of the year.
Swing and a miss. And Goldschmidt. And tipped into the glove of Fortes.
Probably cheaper. I was thinking maybe it's thicker material than the original roof. Stronger.
Fly ball left field. Simpson puts it away. But the Yankees get. And they just lost 2 out of 3 to the Astros. 1-2. Line to left field. Bellinger will make the play. Hit. The 1-2. That's tipped into the glove of Wells.
And it's made a
Caballero.
huge difference. He became somewhat predictable. And hitters took advantage of it. Now he's not.
High fly ball. This should do it. Grisham there. Grisham makes the play, and the Yankees win a big game 5-1. to start this 4-game series in proper fashion. That guy right in the middle of it against his former teammates. He hits a 3-run home run.